Hello, welcome. Today is Thursday, the 9th of March. I'm Kylie and I'm joined with Joe.
Good morning, everyone. Long time no speak.
Yes, it's been a while. It's been testing. It's been fun. Not really.
Fun.
It's been a lot of time spent catching up on my gardening, doing my tax, doing all these jobs that I haven't done for ages because there's not much happening on the market. Which brings us to a few things that we want to talk to you about. First of all, just looking at the All Ords chart, it still looks fine. You've got a big high there, higher low, another higher high, another higher low there, potentially could go up. Again, it could come back down and below here, then we're going to start seeing lower high, lower lows. So it's all interesting times. And what we're finding is that trading is very different. At the moment, we are having to be very patient. It is, don't want to use the word boring, but I guess it is because there's not a lot to choose from. And if you do get into something, it doesn't seem to run for very long if you're looking at day trading or if you're looking at the penny stocks. So it's about sitting back and actually just taking stock of what is happening in the market. And the best way to sort of describe some of these is to look at where we are in the long run. This stock came up for me in a scan today, and you could argue that's a really good, that's been in a downtrend, is perhaps found a bottom, you've got a higher high, higher low, another run, OBB is going up, it's doing all the right things. If you were conservative, you could wait for this to break that 30-cent level. So there's a few ways you can look at it. However, what I do like to see is a big 5-year chart. And this typically over here is the sort of run that you're looking for, really long. Now we're talking a couple of years here, sideways move. It breaks and then you see a really long uptrend. Then as all things go up, things must come down, and then we're now on the opposite side where stocks are moving down in a very big long downtrend. The question is, have we seen the bottom? Is this the significant low, or has it still got down to here to go? These are the sorts of questions that you need to look at, and you could be in a stock for a couple of days and just get a quick buck out of it, or if you're looking for a longer term, do you wait? Again, we're now finding that any scan we do, be it a Darvis or a breakout scan, we're putting in bigger numbers. So instead of, say, your 15, 21 day period, we're moving it up to 34, even 55-day period, because we just want to see a longer move and a longer sideways trend. So again, with this one, to me, BET has got a little bit of work to do. We're not quite sure where it's going to go yet. WHC, Whitehaven, was the stock that everyone was talking about. It has been very exciting. This given us a really good uptrend. It's now clearly in a downtrend. So again, this has potential to go right back down to this level, even down to $2 again. So it's just that patience waiting and just waiting for a buy. NHC, its sister company, is very much the same. Really beautiful uptrend. You could argue we're now back in a downtrend. This is happening a lot. Wesfarmers is one where you could watch and go, it's been moving up. It has moved down. We are now seeing big, significant higher highs, higher lows. So you could argue that we might see another run with Wesfarmers. So they are coming up. This has been sideways for a long period of time. They do come up. It's just being patient and waiting for that opportunity to come up. A2M is another one. When you look at it on a big 5-year chart, this is a beautiful sideways move. Yes, it's gone down. It's come back to this level. It's having a bit of an issue getting through it. Again, it could be another couple of months or more, and then it does push through this $7 level more significantly. So they're there. It's just being patient and waiting for them. A lot of the stocks that we're in, we're just managing. We're just, if our stops are hit, we're out. It's just about managing your stocks that you're in now, and before you get into a stock, make sure you have an exit plan because they aren't running as we're used to. So we're looking for an absolute, when you're wanting to buy a stock, you've got to find reasons why. So we actually always ask ourselves, why wouldn't we buy this stock? And there has to be no reasons that we wouldn't, but we certainly have an exit plan when we're in it if things don't run our way. So that's our little sort of tips, I guess, at the moment for how you handle the market. There's definitely opportunity. It's just sitting back, being patient and waiting for that to come. Now, on a different note, we're going to look very professional right now. We've got a new screen.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Jo, your turn.
Okay, thanks, Kylie. Just wanted to have a quick chat to everyone about the workshop coming up in Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam in June. Obviously open to subscribers and non-subscribers. We have secured our guest speakers. I'll run through them quickly. Alan White just going to do some psychology sessions and covering some gambling addictions, things like that. We've got Paul Ash coming over from the ATAA, Sam Burke's coming over to have a chat, and of course, along with Frank and you, Kylie.
Yes, I'll be chatting. Yay.
If you are interested, please email me, jo@protrader.com.au. I can fill you in on some costs and more details as they come to hand. There is an early bird discount for if you pay your $500 deposit by the 15th of March. So if you do want to take advantage of that, get in quick and send me an email.
Perfect. And the other screen.
Right. Also, you would have noticed that Kylie in this video has been using the updated software. We're currently working very hard behind the scenes to have that rollover go over effectively. In the process, if you do find something a bit odd happening with the current software, it's probably as a result of this background work. We don't want you to suffer. If you are having any problems, please email me, jo@protrader.com.au. We're doing our best to make sure that the transfer over is as seamless as possible.
Awesome.
Great.
Thank you, everyone. We will hopefully be in touch with you all soon.
Thank you.